Tilia Phoenix makes book imposition a breeze with a modern, simple-to-use interface. Let's start by building a book. Phoenix uses dynamic impositioning to eliminate the need for pesky imposition templates. We can begin with PDF artwork files or build an empty product with a specific trim size. Select your binding method. Tilia Phoenix supports perfect bound, saddle stitch, and Smythe sewn books. Select your folding pattern, or build your own custom folding patterns using the interactive folding pattern creator. Phoenix has auto-detected the trim size and parametrically created signatures just from the folding pattern. Go from single pages to imposed press forms in less than 3 clicks. Quickly visualize the bound signatures, the individual pages, and signature layout. Interactively set your trims, lips, laps, and page creep settings. If you make a mistake, change your binding method on the fly. Or adjust the folding pattern for any of your signatures. Now we're ready to begin planning. Use Tilia Phoenix to estimate or plan the job by running Imposition AI to determine optimal press, sheet size, and run length. Add your finishing marks, and export the imposed file as PDF, JDF, XML, or JSON to your CTP or workflow. Automate this further by imposing several books at once with a CSV. Streamline your book imposition with Tilia Phoenix.